Welcome to Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter back in action, which leaves very few hotels still to reopen at Walt Disney World. In fact, I think just All-Star Sports at this point. This will be fun to look back in a couple of years and remember a period where all the Walt Disney World Resort hotels weren't open. But nonetheless, here we are, French Quarter's back. We're in a standard room. So let's take a look around, shall we? If you watched our recent Riverside standard room tour, you're going to notice the rooms layout-wise and a few furniture pieces are identical. Bathroom, especially the bathroom's identical. But there's a lot of differences in the furniture, too. And honestly, this one, I think I dig this one a little more. I like Riverside as a resort better. I like these rooms better, I think. Not the I like the Royal Guest rooms, are amazing. So like the older, many of the older moderates, we have the AC unit sticking out here. It's in a nice wood frame. Looks great. Looks good. I think these work great. I always feel like they get the room nice and cool. Real quick. Then for the curtain here, we have this bead curtain. It's supposed to be like Mardi Gras beads. I mean, it's just stitching, but that's the motif. And going for the curtain rod is really pretty. These little accents. I'll straighten the camera out a little bit. Then we have the table and chairs, which for the reopening, I don't think it's the thing they do on the regular, but Mardi Gras beads in the shape of a hidden Mickey. How cute. The chair has something interesting going on in the pattern on it. There's a little bit of Princess and the Frog in this room. There's some frogs. There's some frogs in this pattern that has like I don't know if that's supposed to be a Mardi Gras mask or what that other thing is, but there's definitely frogs. So there's Princess and the Frog in this room too. A fairly plain mirror. It's a pretty table. It's nice. Nice little area to sit. And then here are the beds. These might be the most beautiful headboards at Walt Disney World. I love them. They're really pretty. Beds, of course, are lifted off the ground. You can put some bags underneath. We've got this piece here with the 2 USB and 2 standard on the top. Room phone, guide to the magic. You got this cute, well, this one's, I'll straighten it out. The drawer pulls have like a little lion face on them, like Mardi Gras detail. And maybe just like a French Quarter detail, something you see on a building. I don't know. Holy Bible in there. This little drawer. These switches control, again, left bed, right bed. Those are cute. Like those. It's like a camera's still a little crooked. There we go. Sorry, doing this at 12:50 at night because the room was ready while I was doing news tonight. So I had to wait and come do it after the show. This will turn the fan on. See, also I'm not gonna get it going, but there's also control for that switch as well. Lots of lights and lots of switches for them. Control the level of the light in the room as you like. You see, they're really pretty. It's a gorgeous headboard. Gorgeous. So what I love is when they redid both of these resorts, someone was like, hey, we put some WDI art in both of them. And so we saw the Mark Twain from Disneyland on Riverside. What's great here is, actually wow, that's tight here. Are these rooms a little smaller? Maybe, or the beds are just shifted over more. I don't know. Actually, that door looks like it's shifted over a foot or two. Either way, there's no, you can't really get on this side of the bed. I'm gonna go over here to show you the art. This is a beautiful Herb Ryman piece. If you're not familiar with Herb Ryman as a Disney fan, I invite you to look more into Herb Ryman. Another one who worked on some New Orleans Square stuff you should look into, Dorothea Redmond. Just some suggestions. But Herb Ryman did this great piece of the waterfront in New Orleans Square. This is the concept art for that, and it's amazing. It's a beautiful piece. There's Pirates of the Caribbean, that building on the left. And the rest of the French Quarter area there, New Orleans Square, Disneyland. Very, very cool. Like I said, Disneyland has New Orleans Square. Tokyo Disney kind of has a New Orleans area that's part of Adventureland. We never got that, but we do have these two giant resorts that fully explore the New Orleans theme, right? So it's, I think we did all right. I think we did all right. This is a beautiful piece too, the dresser. I like this. Again, those lion face drawer pulls, nice big drawers. I imagine our mini fridge, the Danby mini fridge, hanging out in here. Cool beans. Two standard, two USB. I like that it's on the side and not in the middle here. Is there another? Oh, wonderful. There's two sets. Very nice. They were blocking this with the switches. An odd choice. Then we have the coffee station here, which has the Cuisinart, ice bucket. Of course, we got the 50th blend during the World's Most Magical Celebration. Did we get the cup? We did get the cups here. I think I teased it. No, we didn't. These aren't the cups, right? Look at them in the light. No, they're not the Mickey. They didn't send them the Mickey cups yet either. One of these room tours will show you guys the Mickey cups. Not everyone got them yet. They're Mickey coffee cups now, which I think is super cool. There's the TV. This is actually the very same piece from Riverside with the Mickeys. And the same design on these, the leaf art. Temperature control. Little bench or place to put your luggage over here. It's cute. I don't know what else to talk about here. Oh, there's this ornate little light over here at the entry. Keep going until you can see the pattern. There you go. Cute. I think we talked about everything in here. What's great, I love this. These little ornamentations in the corner are nice. And then this is why I say the other one's a bead curtain, because this is most definitely a Mardi Gras bead curtain over here. So there you go. All right. So I like the tile. I like the tile a lot. I like that it carries through to the bathroom. Gives the bathroom some character. Let's just go in here. There is no toilet art. Let me get that out of the way. But towels, the toilet. It might be the most toilet paper they've ever left me in a room. For such a small room, too. There's a full-length mirror on this side. I love this. It's all white tile, but this French Quarter style, I don't know, it reminds me of like the details on the wrought iron outside. It's nice. It's nice. It is all white, but it feels, I don't know, the all white feels right at this hotel. I don't know why. Just we're in this like brickwork. Looks good. So yeah, a standard shower head, little ledges to put stuff on, soap and things. There's a tub, shaving ledge, mounted amenities. We got some more Princess and the Frog. This is actually, I love this curtain. This is a great curtain. Let me pop out here so I can see it better. There we go. Okay. This is really cute. So in here we have the frog hand crown. We have Tiana and Navina's frogs with the heart. We have the little prince frog. Very cute. So they're just, it's weird. It's weird that they went way heavier on the Princess and the Frog at Riverside. And here they just did the pattern on the chair and this, and that's it. It's weird. But this is a nice curtain. I mean, I know I'm mad there's no art in here, but I am glad the curtain's cute at least. Okay, here's the vanity. It's very plain, but the dark wood's pretty. I like that. I like that that's dark wood too. That does such a world of difference for this thing. The value and moderates, how many of them is this unit always hideous, this shelving unit? Because it's that light wood, it always looks scratched. The dark wood just works better. Look at that. It looks so much better than so many other resorts. Works well. Extra pillows, iron and ironing board, safe, lots of hangers. Let's take a look at this. It's a very pretty vanity. Good detailing on there. Very pretty. So a shelf up here, nice countertop, makeup mirror. When did that happen? There's like that's weird. The light, I guess, to put the lights there. Yeah, like it's seen better days, but because it's dark, your eye doesn't get drawn. I don't know. My eyes don't get drawn to the damage on the light color ones. I just feel like I always notice how beat up they are. And and with that one, it didn't even occur to me because it was dark. It looked good. Yeah. So again, like, I think these are, for the price. This is one of my favorite hotels in all of the world. I love French Quarter. I love Riverside. These and Animal Kingdom Lodge and Wilderness Lodge are my favorites at Disney World. I think they're very special. Out there, it's gorgeous. The courtyards and common areas are so pretty. The pool is cool. I love the counter service, Scat Cats. There's a lot of good stuff here. It's a great hotel. And I don't know, I love New Orleans to begin with. I've been a couple times. And I don't know, this room speaks to me. I know we go on about the all white rooms. This isn't, right? We got the wood floor, quote unquote wood floor. We have these dark wood pieces, a lot of ornamentation, this blue wall, nice light fixtures, some nice art. This tile here, it doesn't feel like a modern Disney room. Like the presence of colors and wood grain really make this one stand out a lot against the other remodeled rooms of recent times, right? So yeah, it's a great room. Highly recommend.